Hello and welcome to this video on crop production and management for Class 8 NCERT students. In this video, we will cover the basics of crop production, starting from the different types of crops, their requirements, and the different techniques used in crop management. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Part 1. Types of crops. First, let's understand the different types of crops. There are mainly two types of crops, namely Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops are grown in the rainy season, while Rabi crops are grown in the winter season. Some common Kharif crops include paddy, maize, cotton, soybean, and sugarcane, while some common Rabi crops include wheat, barley, gram, and mustard. Part 2. Requirements for crop production. To produce a good yield, crops require several basic necessities, including water, sunlight, soil, and nutrients. Water is essential for the germination of seeds and growth of plants, while sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, which is the process through which plants produce their food. Soil should be fertile and well-drained, and it should contain nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for the growth of plants. Part 3. Techniques used in crop management. Now, let's move on to the different techniques used in crop management. Crop management includes several activities such as sowing of seeds, irrigation, weeding, harvesting, and storage of crops. Sowing of seeds should be done at the right time, and the spacing between the seeds should be appropriate. Irrigation should be done regularly to provide the plants with sufficient water. Weeding is essential to remove the unwanted plants that compete with crops for nutrients and water. Harvesting should be done at the right time, and the crops should be stored properly to prevent damage from pests and moisture. Part 4. Modern techniques of crop management. In recent years, modern techniques of crop management have been developed to increase the yield and quality of crops. These techniques include the use of high-yielding crop varieties, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. The use of high-yielding crop varieties has increased the yield of crops significantly. Chemical fertilizers provide essential nutrients to the soil, while pesticides and herbicides protect the crops from pests and weeds. However, the overuse of these chemicals can have harmful effects on the environment and human health. Part 5. Conclusion. To conclude, crop production and management are essential for the sustainable production of food. Farmers need to follow the right techniques and methods to produce a good yield of crops. It is important to use modern techniques with caution and avoid overuse of chemicals to prevent damage to the environment and human health. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the basics of crop production and management. Thank you for watching.